Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by Money Stocks. Today is Monday, April 15th, 2019. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading lower by 3/4 of a point to 29.11, spot 175. So again, futures really are flat here ahead of the open, down just about 3/4 of a point. We'll see how today plays out. We have some stocks in the news. Earnings season kicks underway, really gets going tomorrow, but today we do have some financials in place. So let's get started here with the first one on the board. That's going to be Goldman Sachs. Goldman Sachs right now trading at $204 a share. Stock closed at $207.84. So decent. This is a decent little haircut for the stock. But when I look at it right now, I have to think you're probably going to have a little bit of minor support around the 200 level. We'll see how that plays out. I don't love it there, but we're going to look at this one once the opening bell rings. Goldman will be in play today. Again, the company reported earnings. You could check out the earnings announcement for yourself. But again, we just look for the charts and we look for the best levels. We had a pretty solid day on Friday. So if you have not done so, come on over. Take the 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. Earnings season is just beginning. We're going to get lots of trade action out here over the next 30 days. So again, if you haven't done so, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. Next up, we're going to take a look at Citigroup. Citigroup right now trading at $67.97. Stock closed at $67.42. So you got a little bit of an uptick here. We're not going to make too much out of this. We'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. Right now, Citigroup holding up pretty well. I believe we also have Charles Schwab earnings. SCHW is the ticker symbol there. Stock is trading at $46.82. Closed at $45.35. When I look at this chart, I still think we're probably nearing very good resistance around 48. Ultimately, 50, 50.5. That's probably max upside for Schwab. But nonetheless, it is hanging in there this morning. Next up, we want to take a look at Alphria. APHA is the ticker symbol here. There's a cannabis play. Stock right now getting hit after earnings. Right now, when I look at this name, it's trading at $8.83. So again, the only level that would really interest me for this would be probably lower, somewhere around the $7 level. But we will look at this one once the opening bell rings. Again, it's going to probably put all of the cannabis stocks in play today. So let's see what we get. But if we could get the stock around $7.35, $7.30, I think that would be pretty solid. Right now, it's trading at $8.86. There could even be some good support around $8.25. But again, we're going to have to look at this one once the opening bell rings. We'll see where we are. Other cannabis names that could be in play would be Cronos, C-R-O-N. You also want to look at Canopy, CGC. And then, of course, you want to take a look at Aurora, ACB. That is also going to be in play this morning. Let's take a look at Wells Fargo. It looks like they got downgraded today. Stock is trading at $45.75, closed at $46.49. I honestly don't think there's a whole lot of downside here for Wells Fargo at this level, but we'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. Right now, there's no levels that really get me excited here. You do have a big double bottom at $43. If it got there, I do like it. Next up, we want to take a look at Mattel. Mattel is in the news. Looks like a consumer warning regarding an infant product. So again, stock right now trading at $13.35. I like the $12.20 level, maybe $12.10 level if it gets down there for Mattel. So we want to keep that on the radar today. Let's take a look at WDC. Looks like this Western Digital was upgraded today. Stock is trading at $52.55, closed at $51.83. So you got a little bit of an uptick there. Stock has been trying to rebound as of late, so there could be a little bit more upside, but we'll look at this one as well. We do have, I believe, one merger today, ADSW. I believe that was bought out by Waste Management, so that is catching a big bid. Stock closed at $27.14. Now trading at $32.31. If you own it, congratulations. Trail your stop loss or take your profits. If you don't own it, leave it alone. If we take a look at Waste Management, see if there's a play there today. Stock's trading at $105.80. Not a big deal. That's actually up on the news. So market likes that deal, at least initially. So we'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings today. Let's shift gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. And what we're going to see here for the gold market is, just get this chart up. There we go. It looks like today we do have gold futures trading down 8.5 points to 1286.70. Let's take a look at the GLD. That's trading at 121.25. So gold has been retreating as of late. We'll see where we go there. Let's go over now to crude oil, down about 50 cents right now. Crude futures trading down around 63.40 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO, you're going to see that's trading at around 13.20, down from 13.30 where it closed on Friday. So we'll see how that shakes out. All in all, this is going to be a pretty interesting trading session because you got these bank stocks in play today, and we got lots of earnings starting tomorrow. So get ready. The next 3 to 4 weeks will be full of earnings. So if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. And again, it should be a very, very good earnings season. Lots of volatility, lots of movement. So get ready. Should be exciting. With that being said, everybody have a great trading session, and we'll see you a little bit later on the charts.